How to fix Instagram followers sorted by default not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your followers list sorting properly again. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Instagram and tap on it to open the App Info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Instagram and check if the followers list is now sorting correctly. Let me show you what to do if it's still not working. From here, if the sorting is still not working, open the Play Store. Search for Instagram at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Instagram and go to your followers list to check if the default sorting is working properly. From here, if the issue is still there, tap on your profile icon and tap on your followers count to open the list. At this point, tap on a sort or filter option at the top of the followers list and tap on it. From there, tap Select Default to reset the sorting back to the standard order. Let me show you. At this stage, if the default option is grayed out or not responding, try logging out and logging back in. Here's an important note. Instagram periodically changes how the followers list is sorted, and the default option may behave differently depending on your account size and the latest app update. If the sorting still seems off, it may just be how Instagram is currently displaying followers for your account type. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Instagram follower sorting issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.